Before moving on to the second type of lucid dreams, let's quickly summarize what we have learned about the Dream Initiated Lucid Dreams. Dream Initiated Lucid Dreams, or DILDs for short, are dreams in which the dreamer realizes they are dreaming during the dream. The dream starts as a normal non-lucid dream and your awareness is sparked into lucidity. They can be thought of as regained awareness dreams as the dreamer regains their awareness during the dream. A practitioner of DILDs will discover their own unique dream signs to aid in triggering lucidity. Dream signs are any indicators that you are dreaming and are discovered by analyzing your dream journal for recurring themes, people, places, and emotions. It is a good practice to perform a dream sign analysis and update your list of dream signs once per month. Keep this as a running list in your dream journal. Dream signs will be used as a basis for reality checks, inducing lucid dreams. Are you dreaming right now? You can determine whether or not you are dreaming by performing a series of tests to check which reality you are currently in. This is called a reality check. There are numerous tests you can use, but always perform at least 2, just in case one of your tests gives you a false negative. Always perform reality checks thoroughly and deliberately. Take a moment to really consider whether you are dreaming or awake. A DILD practitioner should incorporate reality checks as part of your daily routine, performing 10 to 15 reality checks per day. This habit will become so second nature that you will find yourself performing reality checks in your dreams, sparking a lucid dream. We dissected several of the most essential DILD techniques. The auto-suggestion technique uses auto-suggestion, the repetition of mental statements, to set intention of realizing you are dreaming. Setting a powerful intention is often enough to induce a lucid dream. The reality check method relies on consistently performing reality checks during the day, with the goal of the mindset carrying over into your dreams, as previously discussed. We also discussed the wake back to bed technique, one of the most crucial techniques for any lucid dreamer. Wake back to bed involves waking up after a set time, often between 4 and 6 hours of sleep, staying awake and returning to bed. This technique is most effective when combined with other lucid dream techniques, as it puts you in close proximity to REM sleep. The combined technique is more of a comprehensive approach to inducing lucidity. It involves combining several key aspects, such as autosuggestion, reality checks, and dream journaling to foster a comprehensive lucid dreaming strategy. The mnemonic induction of lucid dream technique, or MILD for short, utilizes the wake back to bed method and prospective memory to set the intention to remember that you are dreaming the next time that you are dreaming. This is one of the most powerful and scientifically documented lucid dream techniques. Finally, we introduce the concept of visualization with the visual induction of lucid dreaming technique, or VILD for short. This technique is similar to MILD and uses autosuggestion and visualization to create a lucid dream scene and set a powerful intention to realize that you are dreaming. If you want to master the art of dream-initiated lucid dreams, you need to work on cultivating a lucid mindset in your overall life. You need to be like this detective, with a sharp eye on your surroundings, analyzing them for inconsistencies and hints that indicate you are dreaming. You need to employ your critical thinking skills. Does this situation or scenario make sense? Use your observation skills to keep an eye out for dream signs or any strange or dreamlike events. Finally, incorporate reality checks as a regular part of your life. Combining these 3 elements will cultivate a lucid mindset that will, in time, carry over into the dream world, resulting in seemingly spontaneous lucid dreams. Does this information seem like a lot to handle? Don't worry. For now, just let this information sink in. In the final section of this course, we will discuss strategies to implement this knowledge and create an action plan to get you on your way toward a successful lucid dreaming practice step by step. Dream Initiated Lucid Dreams are all about developing a lucid mindset in order to observe the sometimes subtle differences between the waking world and the dream world. You are now equipped with the necessary toolset to succeed at DILD induction techniques. But hold your horses, you still have to learn the second set of lucid dream induction techniques before you get started. It has been a pleasure having you in class. Come back and see me anytime you need to brush up on DILD concepts. Now relax, and I will pass you on to your next instructor. Take care.